Hey, this is Chapornova. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT prompts to generate local business off-page SEO, okay? Make sure you stay till the end of the video. I'm going to give you an additional 3,000 ChatGPT prompts that you can use to build your business in 7 different business niches, okay? That will take your business to the next level. Today I'm going to show you how also you can get, I'm going to show you in this video right here, how you can get the 35 local off-page SEO ChatGPT prompts that I'm going to show you today, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right over here to ChatGPT. We're going to use the 3.5. Once you download the actual ChatGPT prompts, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the folder. It's going to be under marketing. So you're going to click under marketing. Then you're going to come down here to the 35 SEO off-page local business prompts templates, okay, here. And these are ChatGPT prompts for local business SEO, okay? So we're going to take the first one right here. We're just going to copy that. And I've already put it over here in ChatGPT just to show you. All right, so here it is. This is how it looks. All right, best local business listings for business type in location. So what I did is, since I'm in Roanoke, Virginia, I just put dog training in Roanoke, Virginia. So I put for right here, I put dog training, and right here for the location, I put Roanoke, Virginia, okay? So it's as simple as just pressing the button right here. But what I'll tell you to do is, if you have the ChatGPT 4, I would use that. Both are good. Obviously, the 4 is better, but it gives you pretty much very similar in these kind of reports. So what you'll do is you'll just click right here. If you have ChatGPT 3.5 or 4, click enter. Now, right here, it's going to give you the information right here that you need to take your business to the next level in maybe building a niche website and needing to know, what, topic or niche that you're talking about, which, like I said, I'm doing dog training in Roanoke, Virginia. So this will give you the information and listings that you would need to know to set up a page or your site or whatever it is to take your business to the next level with your off-page SEO for your business, or for just, like I said, a niche website or whatever it is that you're doing for your business, okay? So what you need to do is click the link below this video, and it will take you right here to this page, okay? Just fill in your name, your email address, and click yes, I want this. Then it will take you to a thank you page where you'll be able to download the 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts in the 7 different business niches. Plus, with those 3,000, you will get your 35 ChatGPT prompts for local business SEO. If you have any kind of questions at all, please write your comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. The more we can get these videos out, the more people we can help with learning how to use ChatGPT, okay? Thanks again. This is Chapornova. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.